Hello, friends. Good evening. Well, I thought I should share what I'm doing today. It's Saturday today, and I got to come home early today. And after I came back from my work, I drank tea. So I'm not going to drink tea in front of y'all as I usually do. You all know that. I think whenever you all see me, you all think now she's going to come with a cup of tea. No, not today. Today I'm going to read this book. Actually, I was reading this book and then I remembered why not to do a small vlog with you guys. Actually, this is the book that I had bought from the book fair. The Stationery Shop of Tehran is the name of the book. And if you all have seen our book fair vlog, you all will know what had happened. But if you all haven't watched that, I would like to share the incident. That is, on the first day of our visit to the book fair, we couldn't buy books because my younger cousin was the chief guest in one of the programs where numerous books were being launched by the authors and the poets. So we were busy with that program and we just ran through, you can say, the book fair stores or the counters and just selected a few books which were catching our eye. And one of the book that I wanted to buy was this book. But the next day when we went and we actually purchased the book, I was telling my cousin, the name of that book is The Tailor Shop of Tehran. And we were hunting here and there in different book stores for The Tailor Shop of Tehran. And then hopping from this counter to that counter or that shop, suddenly I saw on the shelf this book was standing, and the name of the book was The Stationery Shop of Tehran and not The Tailor Shop of Tehran. So see my memory. And we had a hearty laugh, actually, me and my cousin, and my younger cousin said, at least Didi, you remember that it's something Shop of Tehran. At least you remembered that. Oh, I said, yeah. Okay, but the best part is I got to buy this book. You all saw, if you all have watched our book fair vlog. If you haven't, you should go and visit. I have shown books out there, different types of books for all types of readers, starting from thrillers to detective books to novels, romantic novels, self-help books, educational books, books for the little ones, drawing books, different books, religious books, books in different languages. That's the best part. Okay, actually I was reading this book and I have reached the chapter 2, and the heading of this chapter is The Boy Who Would Change the World. Okay, I'm reading this. Oh, let me show you this. This is the bookmark that I am using. And this bookmark, see, so pretty it is. It's has been gifted to me by my niece, the eldest one, my Bubbles. And I'm still using this. I think maybe she'll be able to tell when she had drawn this for me. It's a handmade bookmark and I use this. It's a beautiful one. Now she has become a more seasoned artist, I would say, and this was in her initial days. So here it is. I'm using this for this one, and I'll let you know how this book is. And I have read one chapter till now. It's nice. And let me share something with you all. How many of you all love eating chicky. Well, I just love. This is it. Actually, I bring chicky, I bring chocolates, I bring cream biscuits for my Laddu Gopal, and once I give him, after a few days, who's going to eat? It's me. Anyway, so mean I am, no? What to do? I will not eat much because it's better to avoid eating sweet things too much. Don't go away thinking that she has started a blah blah. I have something to show you, and I'm sure you're going to like it. Let me just finish this because it's sticky. I need to wash my hand to show you what I have in store for you. In store for me, exactly. Actually, sorry. I don't know what not I'm speaking. I think I'm having too much of sweet. That's why my head is going like this. But winter is the time to have these chickies which are dipped in jaggery, cooked in jaggery actually. So I don't think there's any harm if I have a small piece of it every day. Every day? I think once in a while. Every day is not right for me right now. Today I am having, tomorrow I am not going to have chicky. Tomorrow is Sunday, and Sunday is fun day for all. But I have a lot of work to do, my pending work. I have to tend to my plants. I have to do I have to do some repotting. And this is my aglaonema. This chap also needs to be repotted. If you all are nearby, you all can comment. I can give you one of the plant. If you all are a plant lover, if you are not going to kill the plant, then I don't mind sharing my plants. I am not that type of person who fears giving plants to others or does not wish to give. I want to give. I always share plants with my friends as well as my cousins. I get from them also. But some people are there who do not want to part with their things. I'm not that kind of person. So if you are a plant lover, you can comment. If you are nearby or you live in my area, my city, I can share. Now let me wash my hand and bring the thing that I'm supposed to show you. Hold on, don't go away. If you go away, you miss it. Coming, here we are. So here it is. Are you all there? Well, I'm back. So this is one box which we have to unbox. This is another one, another packet, and this is another packet. Actually, this packet I opened, I cut, then I remembered, why not share it with you friends? Must be many of you love these things, and maybe you all will enjoy watching as I do the unboxing, and I enjoy it myself. So do give me your feedback whether you liked these things or not. Here it is. Ta-da! This is actually bed cover or bed sheet. Anyway, whatever it is, it has 2 pillow covers. This is the one. Just a minute. See how huge it is. This is the pillow cover or the pillowcase. Look at the print. Did you all like it? Well, I just loved it. What a beautiful print it is. So this is the pillowcase. It has 2 pillowcases, but the size is very big. It seems like my 2 pillows are going to go into one. Anyway, so this is the pillow cover, and this is the bed cover or bed sheet. So this is, I'm not going to open now. When I use it, I'm going to show you how it looks on my bed. Oh my god. Oh, this is the wrong side. What to show you? Anyway, I'll fold it. Before my room starts looking messy, it's better I fold it. This is the thing. Print is very nice. And the color is, I think, off-white or cream, I don't know. And my cousin will say, are you color blind? What color will you say? Okay, this is another one which I haven't opened. So this I'm going to cut in front of you. Actually, that I forgot. So let us do it together. Actually, I love buying little things for my home. Oh, this is also beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. This is also a bed cover. Now don't get bored. Oh, another bed cover. Now this is also a beautiful one. This is the pillowcase. I think the pillowcase is quite smaller than that one. A little bit smaller. Color is very nice. What color is this? Brown or brick color. Anyway, this is it. This is the pillowcase, and I will show you how it looks when I use it on my bed. Okay. And this is the bed sheet. Pure cotton. I think you all are thinking I'm showing it in such a manner as though I'm going to sell you. So here it is. It's a beautiful one. I like using light colored. That makes the room look neat and clean and pretty. So this is it. It was written cotton, but I think it's not 100% cotton. It's a bit slippery. Anyway, now I don't want to return it because I love the prints. So this it is how it looks. Now I think I have to bring saris and show like this way, like how they do when they sell saris on them. Nicely they put it here, and it looks so pretty also. And one box is here, and here I am struggling with one bed sheet. And people who sell saris online, they show about 20-30 saris one after the other, and they drape it gracefully. So this is one box which I need to unbox. This is the final one. Let's see what I have here to show you guys. Oh my god, why is it so very... Oh, this scissor, I hope you all recognize. Those of you who watch my knitting videos or crocheting videos, this is my all-purpose, my tongue is getting twisted. Anyway, purpose, I'm going to leave it there. So let's concentrate on our unboxing. So here it is. Only pieces of paper. Look at the packaging. Hats off, Myntra. So in you go, and this is the packet. So you can very well imagine. Yes, what is here, and to comment. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see how it looks in real. When I had ordered, I just saw the picture, and now we are going to see the actual thing. Not we, I am going to see. You all didn't see the picture, only I saw the picture. Oh my god, you are so pretty. Ah, look at this. Ah, so beautiful the cup is. Oh my god. I think you all are thinking she is after cups, but I love cups. Look at this, such a pretty one and perfect. So, oh, I have another cup which I showed you, I think in my last video or the earlier video, I don't remember. But this is also equally beautiful. Wow. So, my dear friends, I am going back to reading my book and chapter 2. So till then, thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Be safe, be happy.